Beta. Let's put spotlight for everyone. It's coming like the host has spotlighted for everyone. Yeah, host only. Yeah. Yeah, I want it also, sir. The blue color one, I mean the red button, I have on it. I mean, The black box is there, no? In that one, I have on it. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. My dear online students, good morning. Am I audible? Am I audible? Online students, please reply. Okay. What we learned yesterday? What we learned yesterday? What structure? DNS. What is DNS? What is domain name server? What names? Into? What is that numbers? What is IP address? What is IP address? Hey, I am not asking the abbreviation. I'm saying what do you mean by IP address? IP address is just so simple. It is nothing but numbers, no? Aha. Okay. Okay, okay then. See, yesterday we learned about web-based applications, right? Yesterday we learned about web-based application and how it works. True? Today we'll learn another one technical term that is called as, please take down your beautiful books. Hey, first ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರು. What is this? ನಾನು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಚರು. ARCHI. I know English, don't teach me English. I said write down the heading. Done? So now what do you mean by this client server architecture? Forget about architecture. What do you mean by client? What is server? Client means we. My dear online students, what do you mean by client? What do you mean by client? Okay. Now I will take one example how this client server architecture will be working. Okay, clear? What will I take now? What is this? Huh? Hey, I have not written anything. What is that? So now for your client server architecture, now let us consider two computers. Let us consider two computers. So let me name this computer. Computer 1 and computer 2. Okay. I have written computer 1. I have written computer 2. If I have to differentiate from computer 1 to computer 2, how will I differentiate? Wait. Online students, how will I differentiate? Online students. If I have to differentiate the computer from Computer 1 and 2, how will I differentiate it? By using what? By using your IP address. Correct? Correct till here? Now, if I have to perform any action, if I have to perform any function or any operation in your computer, what you should be having? Very basic. You have learned it from your 4th standard. 4th standard internet ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? I know you're not there in 4th standard. I know you are well graduated without no job coming here. Wait, guys, if you have to perform any operation or any function in your computers, what you should have? Huh? OS. OS illere on saha agala. Online students, binary language, OS. Others, CPU, computer, mouse, keyboard, wire, everything you tell. Power. Hey. Okay. If you have to perform any operation, you are supposed to have something called as, oh man, RAM, man. What is RAM? Okay. So if you have to perform any operation in your computer, you are supposed to have RAM. Okay. Now, let me consider that in my computer 1, I have one beautiful, not other files, beautiful file. It does not contain beautiful pictures inside it, please. What will I name this as? What will I name this as? I will name this as V stand for you dot text. Okay. This is one file which is present in my computer 1. And now I want to perform some operation. I want to perform some operation. And in computer 2 also, I have another file. And in my computer 2 also, I have another file. That one I will name it as, beautiful.2. information.txt. Okay, clear till here? Now, what operation I have to perform, ma'am? Open, close. Next, what else operation? What operation can I perform on these 2 files, or by keeping these 2 files, what operations can I perform? What? You can transfer the files. You can copy the files. You can read the files. You can delete the files. True? Now, I am saying that I have one file in my computer 1. I have one file in my computer 1. I have to execute this file. I have to execute the file which is present in my computer number 1 by using the information which is present in my computer number 2. You understood something? What you understood? What you understood? What you understood? I am performing some operation saying that I have one file in computer number 1 also and in my computer number 2 also. Now I have to execute this file which is present in my computer number 1 by using some information which is present in my computer number 2. That is the only simple operation I am going to perform. Can I just perform like that only? What I should do? Yes, we should connect it, right? Then now I will Wi-Fi. I will connect this. Okay. Only this is only the working. But what is there inside that, ma'am? See, what do you mean by client server architecture is nothing but, See, from this one, from your file number 1, you are taking the input. Yes or no? From file number 1, you are taking input. Yes or no? So, this will be your input and this will be called as what? Requesting. What is requesting or who is requesting? Computer 2. That means this computer 2 is called as your server computer. One part clear? Server got clear. Then what is this? Aha. This is your client computer. Namaste, ma'am. Now, my operation has got performed. I have taken for my server computer, I have taken the information from my computer 1 and that is called as requesting. What is requesting? My server computer is requesting the input from your client computer. And after that, what will happen as usual? This will give you some response. This response is nothing but your, what is that? And this will be called as your response. Now you people tell me, what is the definition of client server architecture? Ingalla. Huh? You know Kannada? No. Okay. Tell. Hey. Yeah. See, you understood how the operation works. I also said you what is server computer, what is client computer. Now you people tell me what is client server architecture. Huh? My dear online students, did you people understand this? Hey, shut up, wait. My dear online students. Guys, you all are sleeping, having breakfast, or you people have gone to bath. Client will send request to server. That only I said. Anything new I said. Now tell me what is client server architecture. I have said you the process. Google. Get out of my class. Yes, what is client server architecture? There is some communication happening between your client computer and your server computer. And what is happening? My server computer is requesting input from my client computer and then my server computer is giving response to my client computer. Take down the definition first. Take down the definition. The process of requesting information. My dear online students, please take down. Yes, Himal Kumar, you're right. The process of requesting information from the server computer. Still slow na. The process of requesting information from the server computer and the server computer responding to the client and the server computer responding to the client is called as client server architecture. The same thing only I said, no? Yes or no? Your server computer, guys, see here. Your server computer is requesting information. Yes or no? And from your server computer, it is responding back to your client computer. That is only called as client server architecture. Clear? Now I'll ask question. Na? Pakka. Next one, in this same client server architecture, you have two types of responses. You have two types of responses, whatever. Okay, what may be the first response? Have you heard about it? Everyone are from CS background? No, majority. No. Idru bekare illa anbidtira. Yes or no? Genuinely tell me who and all are from CS background. Please raise your hands. Your beautiful hands. Kaal aithe bedre kahiye. CS, my dear CS students. CSE, ISE. Majority. You people have learned HTML also. Full medhavigalu. Now you people tell me what may be the two types of response. Response from others, response from me. The first type of response is called as responding ante. Static response. And the second type of response is called as Ivag matra bai bidiralla. When I asked you, people couldn't say. Okay. Ma'am, I forgot, ma'am. But you know the definition of this? Forget about definition. You know how it works. My dear online students, do you know what is static response and dynamic response? Video is lagging. Now is the video displaying properly? Huh? Camera got off. Yakro in prana tintirale. Yeah, now tell me what is static response? Video is not visible. Dhanshekar? No. Video is not visible. Blur, poor quality. Now, lagging. Huh? What? Hey, yen heltiro nettige helro. Who is Krishna? Yeah. Now tell me what is static response? What do you mean by static? Forget about response. Fixed, constant. Yes. Now what do you mean by static responses? See, for an example, you have a beautiful page. What page, ma'am? Hey, what is this called as? This area is called as? Taskbar. And this one is called as your toolbar. This is called as your search bar. Yes or no? Now this is one beautiful page. Ma'am, nothing is beautiful in that, I know. It is a beautiful page, and in this page, let me consider that airtelanyone.com which you want to open. Please bear everybody. Other things, genuine professional one which you want to open. YouTube.com. Okay. You have this shut up. YouTube.com. Okay. So when I request for this page, what will happen? My YouTube page will be displayed. Ouda? Guys, in your YouTube also, I'll not take this YouTube. Let me take Myntra. Amazon okay, I'll take Amazon page. Okay, the first page which I get to see is, can I say I get to see my login page? Yes or no? In this, no ma'am. You will be having something called as username. Yes or no? You will be having password, and then forget password. When you people don't answer no, I will make you people forget yourself. Okay, you have a beautiful page, and for an example, I have taken Amazon.com. Ma'am, what is the relationship between that and whatever you're saying for static response? See, when I enter the user, forget about entering username and password. Whichever.com you go, Myntra, Amazon, Facebook, whichever you go, you get login page. Is anything changing there? The same username, the same password, the same login button, the same cancel button. Anything is changing? Some people said forget password. Yes. Bro, I'm talking only about login page, not sign up page. Okay, if you take your sign up page also, whichever example you take, the same thing is displayed. Same thing only, your name, first name, last name, extra address, surname, gender, male, female, or else others. Yes, true. Only that you will get. Is there anything which is getting changed? Whichever application you go, anything is getting changed. Then what is that response called as? Static response. That's it. What? Yes or no? Understood. Pakka. Write in your book. Fast. Login button. Ma'am, quick response. There's no definition for this. Huh? Hey, no, still now I have not started your HTML, guys. It is just the basics of HTML. What's your name? You. Abhi. Okay. Name is Renu? Nene. Tandu. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ ಹೆಸರು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Shameless creatures. Yes, you understood this. Online students, did you people understand what is static response? Yes or no? My dear online students. Yes. Now, you people tell me what is dynamic response. I said you what is static. Now tell me what is dynamic response. It changes. What will change? Okay, tell one example and tell what is changing, how will it change, why will it change? After login, what will change? Huh? Yeah, wherever you go, even that can be static, no? The same thing. With you enter the username, you enter the password, you click on login button, obviously home page will be displayed. What else page will be displayed for you? Huh? When we search anything, it will change, no? Yes or no? That is called as your dynamic response. Can you tell me what example can I take for dynamic response? The same example I'll take. The same example I'll take for Amazon. I will enter my username. What is your username? Hey, boys will say, what is the username? Some username and some password, and I click on login button. And after that, what page will be displayed? What home page? My Amazon home page is display. Yes or no? This is an example for your dynamic response. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Now tell me, what is client server architecture? Don't see a book and tell. Abhi will tell. Abhi, what is client server architecture? Hey, don't stand up. I don't want that much respect. Sit and tell. Tell. Don't see and tell. ಯಾವನ ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸರಿ. Don't look, man. I beautifully explained so well. What is there to look inside your book? What? I'll come there. Huh? I'll come if you want. I'll come there. Okay, mama. Tell what is client server architecture. Okay, I will only ask you. What is requesting what? Your server is requesting information from your client computer. And then what is big rocket science in that? Done with this? Pakka? Clear? Guys, can you people tell me what is the difference between web page and website? Web page and website. What is the difference? My dear online students, can you tell me what is the difference between web page and website? Hey, where's the cloth, Ra? Batel, Ra? Done with this, online students, you people have copied it. Collection of web pages is called as website. True. Then what is web page? Yeah, what is web page? Shall I rub this, online students? Have you copied it? Oh, my dear offline students, have you copied it? I'll rub. Yes or no? No, ma'am. I'll get to know your names very soon. Next topic, what is the next topic? Huh? Huh? About what? I gave you the example. Why do you need a definition? Guys, when you go to the interview, keep one thing in mind. This you always follow. When you go to an interview, please don't start the static responses, dynamic responses. Please don't start this. Guys, he's not interested in your bloody definition. He just wants, see, everyone is coming and saying polymorphism is this, that is that, this is this. He'll get bored, no? Give an example and explain it to him, no? Yes or no? Then, no, mama. That's all. Next one, take down my head. Introduction. Yenro nim golu. Introduction to HTML. Now again say, what are your front-end technologies? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Stuck. These are the three main things which you people will be using. Why is your HTML required? To provide the skeleton. I'll not draw again. Yeah, your CSS is required for yay. Who said that? You. Me. Who? Yeah, and why is your JavaScript required? Okay. Now, you people basically know what HTML does, what CSS does, what JavaScript does. Now, you people tell me, what do you mean by markup language? Yeah, I know. What is hypertext markup language? Open your book is opened. Write it. Laptop ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, I'll tell. First write this introduction to HTML and then just take down the heading as HTML. If they say explain HTML, what and all will you explain? He'll tell you to speak about HTML for 5 minutes. What you'll speak? First you will say ish. HTML, first you will be saying the abbreviation. What? Ma'am, abbreviation alla nange gottilla. Please tell full form. Yeah. Abbreviation or full form. What is the full form? Hypertext markup language. Finished with that? Then you will say what? Don't go to the interview and say what. What means nothing but your definition. What is the definition of HTML? Take down the definition. Take down the definition. Hypertext markup language. Otherwise, wait. Okay, you wrote that. After that, take down. HTML is a language which is used to provide the structure. What structure? Which it is used to provide the structure to what? Structure to the web pages. Structure to the web pages. That is only called as HTML. But now you people tell me, is HTML a markup language or a programming language? What do you mean by markup language? Providing structure. What is markup language? Guys, okay, you people tell me what is the difference between programming language and what is the difference between markup language? What is programming language? What is markup language? Yes, online students, shut up. Guys, what do you... HTML is used for creating web page. Yes, true. Guys, you tell me what is programming language and what is markup language? What is programming language and system for formatting and arranging the elements is markup language. Oh my God, too much technical. Huh? Google, you did Google, Arun. Yeah, guys, wait. What are the different types of programming languages? You have Java, Python, C. These are your programming languages. So I will take an example saying that by using Python language, I want to add two numbers. By using Python language, I want to add two numbers. Okay. So what will be my input? Print 10 plus 5. What output will I get? You will get, tapparadna. Did I write something wrong? Then why are you saying man? What is markup language? Hey, give a clap for him. What is markup language? Guys, what is markup language? Breakup language. Markup language. See, now I will write one example. You people only tell me what is the difference between that and this. Yeah? Houdu kano. Hey, what will be my output if I use this markup language? 15. Oh. Guys, what will be my output if I use my markup language? I have given an example on the board. Please tell me what output will I get if I use the markup language? Online students, shut up. Who? Now online students tell offline students, shut up. Yes, not visible, mama. A camera is not visible. Then they're saying it's not visible. Screen is not clear, ante. Still lagging. Hey, what did you press, man? Too much blur. Scope. Not able to see board. 1 second. Okay, rub that the front camera once more. Now is it visible? Yarante, yavano. Okay, guys, see, I have written something on the board. I have written the example for programming language and for the example of markup language also. Now you people tell me. Now you people tell me what output will I get if I use that markup language? Yes, my dear students, please tell me. You will get the same, right? You will get the same as print 10 plus. That's all. That is only the difference between, see, here in your programming language, there is some execution happening and then you're getting the output. But in your markup language, there is no execution, there is no logic. You just have to display that in a structured format. That is only the main motive of your hypertext markup language. Clear? Done? Now tell me, what is CSS? Why is it used? Your JavaScript is used for functioning. Okay. Now tell me, what are the versions of your HTML? Wait. Versions of what are the different types of versions? Please tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the first version of HTML? HTML 5, 5, 4, 2. 1 to 5 ante. Nangu gottadu. You have HTML 1.0. In this, when was it introduced? Don't know. Now uttirade gottilla. And you are asking about birth of HTML. Seriously. 1949. After you got independence, it got introduced. 19. Is it looking like something else? No. So what and all were included in this HTML 1.0? The first version they introduced, it had only some structure of HTML, some basic structures of HTML. Okay. Next version. Yake 1.11 bedba. Chitti robot 2. Yeah, now tell me what and all were introduced in this one. Robo. Basics basic structure of HTML elements. Next one. Yeah, tell me what was introduced here. What was introduced? Sana. Who's Sana? Guys, what was introduced? Hey, shut up. Yes, Dhanshekar, it was written by, it was not written by Tim Berners-Lee. Hey, shut up. Hey, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು Google ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Advanced version. Yeah, in HTML 3.0, what was introduced? What was introduced? What? Update. They had introduced some HTML tables and forms. What is HTML tables? What is HTML forms? Do you know? Yes, ma'am. Madbekare avanaru tatta titta andri avaga itane. Next one is HTML. When it was introduced. What was introduced here? PUBG. Some styling versions were used in this, were added in this. Next one. Kage Raja andre odakudtini. Next, what was introduced? Kagaya. Balek. Next one. Hey, shut up. Next one, your HTML5. HTML5, which was introduced in the year 2014, and this is the latest version which you people will be using. Now, what they introduced here? What they introduced here? They introduced some mega changes ante. Some multimedia tags. you clear? Then you wrote this. Huh? You know what? Father. Whose father? I'll tell. Barack Obama. Audio and video test. Yes. Finished with versions of HTML. Next one. Yak mother bedwa. Husband ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Would you people know whether HTML and CSS is a male or a female? How is it a female? You did personal investigation and came. Yeah, versions of HTMLs are done. Next one, what are the different types of text editors? What are the different types of text editors? The first one is your Notepad. Then Python. Notepad. Hey, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ. Next one you have Batman ಬರಿಲ್ಲ. Thor ಬೇಡ್ವಾ? Atom, sublime, text ಬೇಡ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೋ ಸಾಕು. Done. People are carving. Done. Everyone. So you got to know what is HTML, what are the different types of text editors used, what are the different types of versions, client server architecture, what are the two types of responses. Next. Next up HTML. Ideno berena MLHT na ido. The next one is ಏನು? Business. The next one is what is this? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾನು ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಹಿಂದಿನ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಯಾವನು ಹೇಳಿದ? Yeah. What is the basic structure of HTML? Two ಟೈಟಾನಿಕ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ. ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಇರ್ರು, ಬಾಡಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. I'm writing, no, have some patience. Fast ah, hey, by the baro, yamano nandonu. Ed band bari baro. And at last, what is this called as? What does it describe? It will describe your HTML version. Yes. This is, what is this? What HTML? Okay, what is the difference between this and this? This is opening of HTML, correct? And this is head. What do you mean by head? Guys, in this, yeah, what do you mean by head? Can a HTML structure consist of more than one head and more than one body tag? No? Pakka? So in this head, you will be having something called as, you can mention either the title or script, or you will be having something called as metadata. Next. Paragraph will mention link. My photo I'll put. Yeah, in body. Huh? Okay, if I enter something into this body, what will happen? That is, see, if I enter anything into this body tag, this whatever content I have written in this, the content is displayed on your body na, displayed on your web page. True? Correct? Next, this will be your closing of your HTML tag. Write it. Now you people open your laptops to watch movie. Which movie anta kelra odakutini? How many people have downloaded your VSS? No one. Open laptop. Open your laptops. Right. Charge ilva. Nan switch box ತಗೊಂಬರಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Online students, did you understand the structure of HTML? Online students. ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಜಾನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Online students, have you installed your Visual Studio Code? Whatever. Online students, everyone. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Oh, what you cannot see? Code. Huh? How to install in laptop? Wait, I'll come. Online students, is my screen visible? I'm speaking about online students, not offline students. Shut up. Guys, open your notepad first. Notepad. Notepad. Yenukka. The water is not displaying. Screen visible. Abhi. Huh? Huh? Guys, screen is not visible. Vaira. Hey, Abhi, you don't know to on. You should on this much. Huh? Hey, I've shared my screen also. Online students, is this screen visible? Online students. But these people, it's not visible.
Multiple displays. That one only, no, sir. Can I expect the silence in the class? Print of silence. So I have to find again and again, but you do. Hello.
Is it audible now? Echoing but audible, right? Yeah. Now is it completely clear?
This is too. Yeah, not bright. Means they cannot see it. It's very blur. The thing which I write it.
Better? No problem. Thing is not clear.
From that time they're doing this only, sir.
But it is only.
Sometimes it's not audible, sometimes it's not clear.
Come on.
Yeah, now it's visible. Huh? Hmm? Yes. Hmm.
Again.
Hello. Okay. Now, the very first program in HTML. Okay. You all have opened your Visual Studio Code. Yes. What program will type first today? See, previously you learned how to give the title for your page. Yes or no? For your web page. Now we'll write some program. Okay. What is the first thing you'll be writing? What do you mean by doc type? Version of? Next. Next, what you'll write? What HTML? Opening tag of your HTML. Now, I want to give the, can I write directly title? In which, yeah, inside which one you will get your title tag? Head tag. So I will be writing head. And what title shall I give for this? What title shall I give for this? That I have already given. First program. Okay. Okay. Clear with this? Next one. In the body tag. In the body tag. Shall I add some paragraph? Shall I add some paragraph? If I have to add a paragraph, what is the tag which I'll be using? What? P indicates? Yeah. So now I will write paragraph. And now let me go to Chrome and download something, okay? Sorry, copy something. About what I'll copy? First program. We'll copy about our own company.